All right, hello again. Now that you've finished your work for Reader's Workshop, we're going to move into our phonics work today. And remember, from earlier in our phonics lesson, we saw that our objective is to improve our automaticity. So if you think of that word automaticity, okay, it means you want those words to come easily and quickly for you. All right, now these are our short vowel sound words that we're going to try to improve the speed at which you read these words. Okay, so when you look at the word, you know what it is rather than having to sound it out. All right, so we are in your book called My Word Study. All right, and remember you picked this up at Materials Pickup last week. And there's also an electronic version that we'll have on Schoology in case you need it. Okay, but we're on page 2. All right, and it looks like this: build automaticity. All right, so today with our list of words here, we're going to focus on the vowel sounds. Now remember, there's 2 types of vowel sounds. There's the long vowel sounds, and that's where the A, E, I, O, U, they actually make the sound of their name. So the letter A makes an A sound, or the letter I makes an I sound. And those are not the ones we're doing today. We're focusing in on the short vowel sounds. Okay, like the letter E always makes the sound eh, like an eddy. The letter A makes ah, like apple. The I makes an I, like itchy. O makes an aw, like olive. Okay, and then the last vowel, U, makes an like upper, right? And those are the short vowel sounds. All right, so the first thing we're going to do today is underline the short vowel spelling pattern in each word. Okay, so each one of these words has the short vowel. So you're going to go through and underline where you find those. You're going to pronounce each word with someone, hopefully, and it's okay to even do it with your dog. Read them aloud to someone or an animal, a favorite pet, or a younger brother and sister. Okay, practice reading the words on your own. And when you are ready, have someone time you for 1 minute as you read the words. Keep practicing to improve your speed. And you'll notice in your book, there's space to record the time, 3 separate readings. So see if you can improve the speed at which you read these words. All right, good luck today, 5th graders, and reach out if you have any questions.